Ons gas op Kletskompas vandag is die bekwame Ernst Steinberg, produksieontwerper, uitvoerende vervaardiger, kommunikasiebestuurder. En hy gaan kom praat oor 40 Years of Fabulous. Dit is 'n teaterproduksie later hierdie maand wat die lewe en bydra van Sandy Rudd tot Namibiese teater vier. Ons het terloops laas jaar met haar 'n herinnering opgeneem wat sy gou met ons hier gaan deel. Kom klets later saam met ons.
My name's Sandy Rudd and I'm a producer, director, and I worked at the College of the Arts, and I was commissioned to do a major production at the Independence celebrations, the 25th year, 2015, when the President was celebrating his first independence celebrations as the President. And I did this massive production with over 1,500 participants. So we had the youngsters dancing, and then I had commissioned and made by the students of the College of the Arts life-sized puppets. And part of the choreography of the production was to have the puppets go and bow at the dignitaries and be part of engaging the audience. And the President was so taken by their bowing that he spontaneously jumped off his seat and he ran to the edge of the seating, and he too then bowed at the Oryx.